Before you proceed, it's important to note that regenerating a table that already exists will erase all data contained within, so it is strongly advised that you back up any such tables before proceeding. Now the first thing we want to do is to sign into a FAT client and then log into EnterpriseOne. Next, we want to navigate to the Object Management Workbench. We're going to type OMW into the fast path and enter. Now we want to find our project that contains the table that we are generating. We'll want to expand the project and then Objects and highlight the table we want to generate. If you're in the same environment for which the table is being generated for, you can just do a get from the middle column menu. This will copy over the specs to your FAT client. If you're not in the same environment, you'll want to do what's called an advanced get from the row menu. Then choose the path code for which the table is being generated. You can never be wrong doing an advanced get, so it is my recommendation that you choose this method regardless. This way you can avoid any possible mistakes. So let's go ahead and go up to the row menu, Advanced, then Advanced Get. From here you'll do a find, then choose the correct path code for which you're generating. In this case it's going to be DV. Next we want to click on Table Design icon from the middle menu. Then click on the Table Operations tab. Now in here is where we do the actual table generation, and as you can see there's also Generate Indexes. When you generate a table, the indexes are automatically created, but if you need to only generate indexes, you can do so without actually regenerating a table, and thus not losing all your data within that table. Now let's choose Generate Table to perform our generation. Now we're going to make sure the correct data source is selected, and we're going to type in our password for the database. We're going to click OK, and we have a successful table generation. It's also good practice to verify the table was generated correctly by going into the Universal Table Browser. To do that, we're going to close OMW and then type UTB in the fast path. Hit Enter. We're going to choose the table and data source icon. We're going to type in the table that we just generated. Again, make sure the right data source is selected. Hit OK, and here is our correctly generated table.